In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a Shopify Partners account. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Shopify Partner and review the search results that appear. Look for the official Shopify Partners page and click on it to continue. Once you're on the Shopify Partners page, find the option labeled Become a Partner. Click on it to move to the next stage of the setup process. After selecting Become a Partner, you'll be presented with options for accessing the platform. If you already have a Shopify account, you can log in using your existing account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, choose the option to create a new account and complete the required setup process. Once you've successfully logged in or created your account, you'll be prompted to set up a new partner organization. This organization will be used to manage your activities within the Shopify Partners platform. Follow the prompts provided on the screen. You'll be asked to enter information related to your organization. Carefully complete each field as requested and continue through the setup process. One of the first details you'll need to provide is your organization name. Enter the name you want to use for your partner organization. After that, provide the additional information requested during setup. Continue moving through each screen by following the instructions presented. As you proceed, Shopify will guide you through the remaining setup requirements. Complete all requested details and continue until you reach the final stage of the organization setup process. Make sure all information is entered correctly before proceeding. Once everything has been completed, finish the setup by following the remaining prompts on the screen. After the process is complete, your Shopify Partners account and partner organization will be ready to use. You'll be taken into your partner dashboard, where you can begin managing your organization and accessing the available partner tools and resources. That's all there is to creating a Shopify Partners account. Open your browser, search for Shopify Partner, select the official Shopify Partners page, click Become a Partner, sign in or create an account, set up your partner organization, complete the required information, and finish the setup process. Once those steps are completed, your Shopify Partners account will be successfully created and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.